Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily change your Shelly Wall Display X2 language. So at first we need to tap this gear icon on the bottom of the screen over here, and now we have to tap General. Now we have to scroll all the way down to this device languages option over here. Tap it and let it load. Here, as you can see, we have language preferences, English, United States. You can tap add language over here and select suggested language, as you can see. We can, for example, add Polish or some other language. Here, as you can see, we have some strange languages, maybe not strange, but this with other font, but with this letters like this, which we can read. We have it here, and now we can select Polish, and we can go back with this button over here. Now it will change. I mean, now it won't be changed because I didn't select it as the preferred one, but you have to make your language as the first one on the list to set it as the default language. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.